anyone working in construction knows that it's important to brush up on the basics before diving into a project. Here are 4 top-rated books that cover construction fundamentals that are great for construction workers at every level, from beginners looking to learn the trade to seasoned professionals who want a simple guide for reference. The first book is the 1926 OSHA Construction Industry Regulations, 2021 edition. The newest edition is a must-have for construction professionals in the new year. This book serves as an accessible guide to help employees quickly identify and avoid potential safety hazards on the job site. It contains a comprehensive list of all 1926 OSHA regulations, any changes made since the last yearly edition was released, and a rundown of the most frequently cited regulations for easy access. The second book is the Residential Construction Performance Guidelines, Consumer Reference, 5th edition. Residential Construction Performance Guidelines is another helpful reference tool created to help workers in the residential construction industry better manage customer complaints and expectations during a home building or remodeling project. Explaining why something is done a certain way can be difficult when a customer is angry or confused, and this book's list of performance guidelines helps professionals bridge the knowledge gap. The third book is the Construction Technology Handbook. Construction technology is constantly evolving. Knowing that it can be difficult to keep crews up to date on how to operate new technology, Hugh Seaton wrote the Construction Technology Handbook to provide a straightforward guide for onboarding new software and tools. This book not only explains in simple terms how new tools work, but also how they can make workers' jobs easier and safer. The last book is Chudley and Greeno's Building Construction Handbook, 12th edition. This easy-to-use handbook is a go-to guide for construction students and professionals looking to brush up on their knowledge of all things construction. The 12th edition is updated to include new building methods and regulations while still providing a foundation of basic construction principles, building practices, and regulations. There you have the 4 must-read books on construction fundamentals in 2023. For more of the top-rated books in the construction industry, covering everything from basic construction fundamentals to position-specific tools and resources, visit our blog at bigrents.com/blog.